A, B, and C enter into a partnership with investment in the ratio 5:7:8. If at the end of the year A's profit is rupees 42360, find the total profit. Now, let A, B, and C's investment be 5x, B's investment be 7x, and C's investment be 8x. Now, as their investment is given and there is no mention of time frame individually, we'll assume their time is equal, and hence profit will be distributed in the same ratio as their investments. Hence, A will get 5 parts out of the total profit. So therefore, we can equate it as 5x corresponds to 42360. Now we want the total profit. Now the total profit will be the addition. So 5 plus 7, that is 12, plus 5, 12 plus 8, we get 20x. So 5x is equal to 42360. We want to find out 20x. Let's find this out. The total profit. So total profit by cross multiplication will be 42360 into 20x upon 5x. So x gets cancelled. 5 fours are 20. Now 42360 into 4. The answer will be 169440. Therefore, the answer will be option C.